Hello viewers, today I am going to replace the battery of this JBL Tune Bluetooth speaker. The backup of this speaker is very less, so I am going to replace the battery. This is the new battery which I have. I am going to put this battery to the speaker. Let's start tearing this down. Just prying from here. Alright, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws I am going to remove. Alright, now prying from here slowly. Alright, the speaker is removed. Front cover is removed. Now there are 4 screws here, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to remove that. Battery is behind this motherboard. Now removing this LCD and control board. Motherboard is coming out. This is the battery here. This is not giving the backup, so I am going to remove. It is pasted here. Just give some heat over here, mild heat, back side or front side with heat blower. You should not heat more, otherwise it will become, it can burst. Otherwise you can put thinner over here, that will just lose the elasticity or the pasting capacity of the paste, and it will remove. That's it, battery has come out. Now I have to remove these 2 connectors, positive and negative. I'm going to remove that. Alright, now I am going to replace this battery with this new battery. Alright, I am going to put this battery. Let's check the voltage in the battery. 3.86 is there. Let's see the old battery's voltage. 0.02, it's very less. Alright, we'll put this new battery. Now I'm just placing it. This has paste at the back side, so it will fix. Now I'm just placing the motherboard here, putting back the LCD control board. Now pasting and now soldering the plus and minus to the motherboard. Plus will go to plus, minus will go to minus. Alright, it started working now. It's turned on, you can see here. Alright, now let's put the screws back. Done. Putting back the speaker housing. Now there are 7 screws. Alright, now speaker is working. I am turning off. Alright, now putting this for charging. Let's see whether this speaker gets charged or not. Yeah, it started charging. You can see. Now I am removing this. It will not charge. Now I am putting for the charging. Yes, it started charging. Here you can see I am just showing here. Alright. Now speaker is working fine. Now turning on again. Done. It's turning on. Connecting to my mobile to test the speaker. Yeah, it is connected now. Now playing the song. Alright, speaker is working perfectly. This is refreshing because of the camera. It will glow constantly, but here it is refreshing because of the camera. Alright, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and write comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.